blue color, red color, yellow color, green color, black color, and white color. Kids, now draw. A for apple, A for ant, and use blue color. The alphabets of A. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Kids, now to C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use red color, red color. D for dog, D for dog. The alphabets of D. Kids, neither E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color, yellow color. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. It's neither G. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. And use green color, green color. Kids, again use green color and draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. Green color, yellow color, red color, blue color, black color, and white color. So kids, now draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we draw A. A for apple, A for airplane, and use green color. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for doll. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for God, G for glass. The alphabets of G. It's neither H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use yellow color, yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. Kids, again use yellow color and draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. Kids, neither O. O for orange, O for octopus. The alphabets of O. And use red color, red color. P. P for parrot. P for penguin. Q. Q for queen. Q for quill. R. R for rose. R for rice. S. S for sun. S for snake. And T. T for teacher. T for tiger. The alphabets of T. Kids neither U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. The alphabets of U. And U is blue color. Blue color. V. V for van. V for vanilla. W. W for wallet. W for watch. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Z for light color. Yellow color. Red color. Blue color. Green color. And white color. Kids neither one. And U is black color. This is 1. O and E 1. This is 2. T W O 2. This is 3. T H R W E 3. This is 4. F O U R 4. This is 5. F I V E 5. This is 6. S I X 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. Kids neither 11. And U is yellow color. Yellow color. This is 11. This is 12. This is 13. This is 14. This is 15. This is 16. This is 17. This is 18. It's neither 19. And U is red color. Red color. This is 19. This is 20. This is 21. This is 22. This is 23. This is 24. This is 25. It's neither 26. And U is blue color. Blue color. This is 26. This is 27. This is 28. This is 29. This is 30. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.